This is the classroom ECEE 283. Notice the podium in the center front of the classroom. Also notice the two LCD display units on either side of the podium. The light switches can be found at the back wall of the classroom, exactly opposite to the podium. You may also notice that the desks have microphones built into them, and for the convenience of the students, the desks are also provided with power outlets. This is a side view of the podium. Notice the cabinet and the handle to open it at the bottom of the podium. The cabinet provides access to the operator laptop, batteries and their charger, and other things essential for a successful recording. Essential items in the podium cabinet to utilize when recording in ECEE Room 283. Toshiba laptop computer, rechargeable batteries, KVM switch, headphones, microphones. Here you can see the laptop and its charger, batteries and their charger, the KVM switch, the black leather pouch which contains the microphone, and the headphones at the back. Remember that only CATE authorized personnel have access to this cabinet. After a lecture recording has been completed and all things have been put away, this cabinet should be kept locked at all times while leaving the classroom after a recording. Lecture Setup Step 1. Turn on the Central Processing Unit, CPU, located on the bottom shelf of the cabinet in the lecture podium. The power button is located on the upper left side of the computer box. Press it briefly for the system to be started. To turn on the display units, point the remote control unit to the screens and press the power button. After you press the button, it takes a few seconds for the screen to be lit up. Please be patient. Similarly, turning them off can be done by the power button again. The Sharp LCD screens will display whatever is displayed on the Wacom tablet. If the CPU is powered on and nothing appears when the LCD screens are turned on, call CATE IT to troubleshoot the problem. Getting started, Step 3. Spray and clean the Wacom tablet with the special Wacom tablet spray located on the bottom shelf of the podium cabinet. Inside the cabinet, at the bottom, we can also find two cleaning solution bottles. The green bottle is multi-purpose solution, which should be used along with paper towels for general cleaning. Use the white bottle marked as Wacom tablet spray to spray onto the Wacom surface. Gently wipe the tablet using the blue microfiber towel provided. This should be done right before the lecture starts, if time allows once the instructor arrives. Lecture Setup Step 4. Turn on the Wacom tablet via the power button located at the top border of the Wacom tablet. This is the Wacom tablet. Notice the power button on its center top. Press it to turn on the tablet. Lecture Setup Step 5. Put rechargeable batteries into the microphone that are fully charged. You will know a battery is fully charged by the LCD screen below each battery on the battery charger, which will display the word full. Take out the microphone from the leather pouch. This is a wireless wearable microphone that is used by the faculty to record their voice. Notice the screw at the bottom. Rotate the screw counterclockwise to loosen and finally open the battery compartment. Take two fully charged batteries out from the charger, which will be in the cabinet itself. To make sure the batteries are fully charged, see the mini LCD monitor on the charger. It should say full. Put the batteries in the battery compartment of the microphone with their positive heads pointing inward. Put the stopper back into its original location and tighten the screw jack by rotating it clockwise. Lecture Setup Step 6. Turn on the microphone. Do this by holding down the audio and frequency buttons at the same time for a few seconds until the text is displayed on the middle LCD screen. Lecture Setup Step 7. Put the microphone into lock mode by pushing the arrow buttons for a few seconds. This disallows for any of the microphone buttons to be pushed accidentally during a lecture. To unlock the microphone, simply repeat the steps. Lecture Setup Step 8. Personally hand the microphone to the professor. Politely ask the professor to place the microphone about 6 inches away from their mouth on their shirt collar for optimal sound quality. Desktop Mode, Step 1. Make sure the KVM switch is set to desktop mode by toggling the PC button, blue light, and hub button, green light, until both lights are on the same side of the KVM switch. Neither of the lights will be blinking in desktop mode. Desktop Mode Step 2. To upload a presentation onto the desktop, put the lecturer's USB drive with the presentation data into the USB thumb drive input at the base of the Wacom tablet. Desktop Mode Step 3. Test the stylus pin located directly to the right of the Wacom tablet. This pin allows the lecturer to interactively present. You should see an interaction with the Wacom tablet similar to this if the stylus pin is working during your test. Laptop Mode, Step 1. Connect the laptop to the VGA cord located in the wire bundle that is routed out from the podium cabinet to the right podium shelf. This is how the monitor of the laptop is connected to the Wacom tablet. Laptop Mode, Step 2. Connect the laptop to the USB cord, which is located in the same wire bundle as the VGA cord on the right podium shelf. Laptop Mode, Step 3. Make sure the KVM switch is set to laptop mode by toggling the PC button, blue light, and the hub button, green light, until both lights are on the same side of the KVM switch and the blue light is blinking.